Today we will discuss about the topic biocontrol agents. Biocontrol agents are used to control the insect, pest, pathogen and weeds that are attack on the plants. These agents are called as biocontrol agents. These are commonly include the microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoan. Some of them being are used at the commercial scale while some are not usually used as the commercial agents. Biocontrol agents has been used to control mostly insect pests and occasionally for weeds and disease control. A biocontrol agent should have the following characteristics such as specific to the target host, specific in against the target. It means they should not affect the other agents that are good or beneficial for the plants. Second one is high multiplication rate. It means they have the high growth rate and multiply easily under the given conditions. Otherwise is it should not damage the environment. It means it should be eco-friendly. It must not have any adverse effect on the environment and the growth of plant and other microorganisms that are beneficial to the growth of and the rhizospheric microorganism that support the growth of the plants. Now we will discuss about the types of the biocontrol agents. There are three kinds of biocontrol agents should be divided that are bioinsecticide, bioherbicide and disease control. Under bioinsecticide, bioinsecticides viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoan, mites are generally used to control a variety of insects that affects the growth of the plants as well as animals. Although a large number of microorganisms that attacks insects only, a limited number of them have found commercial application. In India, Bacillus thuringiensis based insecticide is being commercially produced. Bacillus thuringiensis, we basically known about the Bacillus thuringiensis, that is a bacteria that form spores which produce a crystal protein that is also known as beta endotoxin. This crystal protein is also pronunciated or as cry protein. This cry protein is basically involved in the functioning of the BT based crops such as BT cotton, BT brinjal. In this case, BT produce a protein that is known as crystal protein. This crystal protein is harmful for the insect because it is produced in the gut of the insect and block their respiratory system. There are several kinds of the cry proteins have been studied that are cry1, cry2, cry3. These are specific for in their functioning and attack a defined range of the insect species. Bioinsecticides or BT based insecticide have several properties that are beneficial to the plants to protect them against the different kinds of insects that inhibit the plant growth or may cause disease in the plants. Bacillus thuringiensis cells are produced in the fermentation and other bacteria and fungi. The commercial preparation usually can be mixture of spores, crystal proteins and inert carrier and their formulations. Now we discuss about the bioherbicide. Bioherbicides are the agents that may be fungal or fungal pathogen against the fungal pathogen. Fungal pathogen are attractive biocontrol agents for weeds. Control in view their host specific in production and inoculation in the field. They also have the commercial application but in less amount in comparison to the bioinsecticide such as Bt. Now we discuss about the disease control agents. Both bacteria and fungi are used as the disease control agent and at least 3 commercial examples are available. In India, biotechnology for the large scale production of trichoderma. Trichoderma, which is a fungi, is used as a control to the soil-borne fungal pathogen like that is named as the Macrophomia and the Phaseolona that is a fungal pathogen. The trichoderma is used as the disease control agent. The biocontrol agents have some advantages and limitations also. These are specific against several insects, pests, and weeds. They are useful in comparison to the chemical pesticide which have the several disadvantages like pollution in the environment and health hazards due to the presence of their residues in the food, fiber and the feeders. They also sometimes develop resistance against the several insecticide resistant. In contrast, biopesticides have advantage like they have no harmful effect against the plant growth on as well as in the environment. They do not destroy the non-target specific species of insects and have no side effect as the chemical pesticides have. So, the biocontrol agents are beneficial in comparison to the chemical pesticide and also economically less. So, we should prefer the biocontrol agents in comparison to the chemical agents. If you have any questions, please write in the comment. Thank you.